To perform a successful Semrush site audit, start by setting up your Semrush account and selecting the website you want to audit. Semrush will then crawl your website to identify technical and SEO issues. The first step in the audit process is to review the site's crawlability, which refers to how easily search engines can crawl and index your website's pages. Semrush provides a crawlability score, with higher scores indicating better crawlability. Next, review the site's performance, including page load times and mobile usability. Slow page load times can negatively impact user experience and search engine rankings, so it's essential to identify and address any performance issues. Another critical aspect of the site audit is reviewing the site's technical SEO, including meta tags, header tags, and internal linking. Ensure that all pages have unique and descriptive meta titles and descriptions, and that header tags are used correctly to structure content. Additionally, review the site's content quality and quantity, including duplicate or thin content. Ensure that all content is high quality, engaging, and provides value to users. It's also essential to review the site's backlink profile, including the number and quality of backlinks. High-quality backlinks from authoritative sources can significantly improve search engine rankings, while low-quality backlinks can negatively impact rankings. Finally, review the site's local SEO, including the site's presence in local directories and the consistency of its name, address, and phone number across the web. By following these steps and addressing any issues identified during the audit, you can significantly improve your website's technical SEO, content quality, and search engine rankings. Regular site audits are essential to ensuring your website remains competitive and provides the best possible user experience. Best practices for Semrush site audits include regularly scheduling audits to identify and address issues promptly, prioritizing issues based on their impact and severity, and tracking progress over time to measure the effectiveness of your SEO efforts. By using Semrush to perform regular site audits and following best practices, you can improve your website's visibility, drive more traffic, and increase conversions.